This Christmas, millions of people will spend hundreds of dollars on gifts that will be forgotten by January. The latest phone. The trendiest gadget. The toy that ends up in a drawer. But what if this year, your gift didn't lose value the moment it was unwrapped? What if it actually grew? Today, I'm showing you the best investing gifts of 2025, real, practical money gifts for investors and beginners that can turn a single Christmas present into long-term wealth. Because this year, wealth is the ultimate Christmas gift. If you're searching for the best investing gifts for 2025, smart money gifts for investors, or meaningful gift ideas for financial growth, you're in the right place. These ideas work whether you're gifting a child, a partner, a friend, or even yourself. And I'll also show you how to gift stocks and investments step by step later in the video, so stick around for that. Let's start with why investing gifts beat traditional presents, hands down. Think about it. Most Christmas gifts depreciate. That shiny new $300 gadget is maybe worth $180 in just 6 months. But an investing gift does the complete opposite. A $300 investment today can become $500 in a few years, $1,000 over a decade, or even the foundation of a lifelong financial habit. Investing gifts don't just give money, they teach powerful lessons like patience, the pride of ownership, and the importance of long-term thinking. That's why more people than ever are searching for stock gifting guides this Christmas. Now, let's get into the best ideas for 2025. First up, gift number 1, stocks and ETFs, the classic wealth builder. This is one of the best investing gifts in 2025, and it's also one of the simplest. Instead of buying something temporary, you're giving someone a piece of a real business. Imagine their face when you tell them they now own a small part of a company they already know and love. For ETF gift ideas, you can't go wrong with an S&P 500 ETF, which gives them a piece of the 500 largest companies in the U.S. or a total market ETF for even broader diversification. You could even choose a dividend ETF that pays out cash regularly, introducing them to the magic of passive income. If you want to gift individual stocks, think about companies they interact with daily. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, these are giants for a reason. Gifting a stock in a company they use makes the investment feel tangible and exciting. This is perfect if you want money gifts for investors or stock gift ideas that beginners will actually thank you for. And here's the best part, you don't need thousands of dollars. You can gift fractional shares, meaning you can buy a small slice of a stock for as little as $5 or $10. This makes it accessible for any budget. Next, gift number 2, investment account contributions. This is a powerful financial growth gift idea that is less about a physical present and more about setting someone up for future success. You can contribute directly to an investment account for them. For example, you could open and fund a custodial investment account for a child in your life, giving them a huge head start. You could make an IRA contribution for your spouse, helping to secure your shared retirement. Or you could simply fund a brokerage account for a friend who has been wanting to start investing but doesn't know how. This gift is pretty much invisible on Christmas morning. There is nothing to unwrap, but its impact can be life-changing over time. A single annual contribution, if repeated every year, can mean the difference between working an extra decade and retiring early. It could mean debt freedom or full financial independence. If you're serious about giving a gift that truly matters and has a lasting impact, this one ranks right near the top. Okay, on to gift number 3, books that create investors. Sometimes the best investing gift isn't money at all, it's knowledge. Classic investing books remain some of the best gift ideas for financial growth, even in 2025. A great book can change someone's entire mindset about money. Some of my top picks are timeless. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is the Bible of value investing. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a modern masterpiece that explains the human behavior behind financial decisions. And of course, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki has inspired millions to think differently about assets and liabilities. Another great one is A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Here's a pro tip. Pairing one of these books with a small initial investment is an incredibly powerful combination. It's like saying, here's the manual on how money works, and here's your first investment to get you started. That's not just a gift, that's how you can genuinely change someone's financial future. Now for gift number 4, investment apps and cash bonuses. Some of the best investing gifts for 2025 are digital, and they make getting started easier than ever. Many modern investment platforms and apps allow you to gift cash, gift specific stocks, or transfer welcome bonuses directly to new accounts. This is an amazing option for younger investors who live on their phones, for first-time beginners who might be intimidated by traditional brokerages, and for anyone who just needs a gentle nudge to get started. Think about it. A small cash bonus of $50 or $100, invested early, can spark a lifelong habit of saving and investing. And at the end of the day, building good habits is worth far more than any dollar amount. It's the habit that builds wealth, not the initial sum. These apps make it fun, engaging, and super simple. Let's move on to gift number 5, a slightly more adventurous one: crypto as a speculative gift. Now, let me be clear, crypto isn't for everyone, and it carries more risk. But as a small, speculative gift for the right person, it can be a really interesting and modern present. The most popular choices here are still Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are the blue chips of the crypto world. The absolute key here is education and managing expectations. This gift is best framed as, this is a fun, long-term experiment in a new technology, not a get-rich-quick play. You're not promising them a Lambo, you're giving them a ticket to learn about a new financial frontier. For a tech-savvy recipient who is curious about the space, a small amount of crypto can be a fantastic gateway into understanding broader concepts of investing, risk, and digital assets. Just remember to keep the amount small and treat it as entertainment money. Alright, so you've picked a gift. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually gift a stock? Here is your simple, step-by-step stock gifting guide, Christmas edition. First, you'll need to choose a brokerage that allows gifting or easy transfers. Many popular platforms now offer this feature. Second, buy the stock or ETF you want to give. Remember, fractional shares are totally fine, so buy whatever amount fits your budget. Third, you'll either transfer it directly to the recipient's existing account, or if they don't have one, you can help them open a new one. For a minor, you would open a custodial account in their name. And finally, and this is the most important step, include a note. In that note, explain what they now own, why you chose that specific investment for them, and most importantly, why long-term holding matters. That personal note is what turns a simple transaction into a profound and memorable lesson. It transforms the gift from just money into a tool for learning. So, this Christmas, you don't have to buy something flashy that will be forgotten. You can give something so much better. Something that grows. Something that teaches. Something that lasts a lifetime. These were my picks for the best investing gifts for 2025 because true, lasting wealth is the ultimate Christmas present. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe for more content on building wealth. And share this video with someone who deserves a smarter gift this year. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.